Hello!
Hi!
We are in Canary Wharf because what are we going to do today?
We're playing the Cube.
The Cube! There is a new Cube experience in Canary Wharf and we have graciously been invited to the PR press event of it. So we get to play it and we're just going to have a lot of fun.
It's funny because when the Cube was on TV, I used to watch it all the time, and it's one of those game shows where I was like, I'll be sick at that, that'd be easy.
So funnily enough, I've never actually seen the Cube. I've seen clips of the Cube, but I've never watched it in full. So can you please explain to me and to people who might not know what the Cube is and how to play it?
Yes, so it's basically a game show where contestants get to play for money. There's no money today, unfortunately.
Just fun.
But they get to play for money and they have to do a series of skill-based games, but you're under a lot of pressure. There's time, there's you've only got a certain amount of lives, you have a simplify, you basically have time limits to complete each game, and it's can you move all the balls from one jar into another jar, and it sounds really easy but it's actually not that easy. So I don't know what games they got in here today. We'll find out shortly, and we're going to bring you along with us.
But the whole thing is that you're encased in a glass cube.
Yes, hence
makes sense. Okay, let's do it.
The world's toughest game experience. In here, simple tasks become epic challenges. You've seen it on TV. Now it's your turn to take on the Cube.
Guess who came up with our team name?
Game 1.
Not great.
We lost 2 lives and did it on the final life.
So wait, do our lives reset?
Yeah, I think you get 3 lives per game, but you also get more points if you don't lose any lives. So we screwed it.
We did.
So our opponents now are about to go, and I bet they do it first time.
Okay, right, you got this. So for those of you who don't know, you can't stand inside the red box, you have to stand outside of it, and you have to shoot and get it through that hoop at the top. It's like extreme basketball, extreme netball, and there is a 7% win rate on this. So good luck. You got this! So close! You got this, I believe in you.
Contestants
Okay guys, so you are thrown to the opposite target diagonally across the cube. Your margin of error is 0.080, has to be below that to win. If you do both hit the target, it will come up on the floor and it will show you how close you are to the margin of error, and then it will reveal whether you won or lost. If you miss the target, you will lose a life. If you don't throw it hard enough for it to actually register, you will lose a life. And if you step over this line, you will lose a life. Right?
Okay.
Any questions?
Can we stand however we want within the lines?
You can stand however you want.
Okay.
Keep it to you, right?
Thank you.
Got this, guys. Let's do it.
Come on.
So we have strategized. I am going to kneel down and hit the target from across the way.
Whenever you feel ready.
Okay?
It isn't a time game, so you can take your time.
Right.
It is worth one.
So are we doing,
for your seat.
thank you, are we doing 3, 2, 1, go and like bolt?
So
Yeah. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
bang.
Yeah, okay, are you ready?
And how hard are you throwing?
I'm going to throw pretty hard. Okay,
Are you going to count down?
yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed!
Missed it.
I missed! Did you miss?
Yeah.
Okay,
2 lines remaining.
okay.
Okay, guys, on to your second life now for 800 points.
Okay.
You hit it this time.
But and you?
I did.
Oh, I thought you said you missed it. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna stand.
Do you want to swap?
No, I'm gonna stand.
1 life remaining.
Okay, guys, you are now onto your third and final life on this
I'm
game.
absolutely
It's worth
butchering
600
this.
points for your team. Good luck.
Right. 3, 2, 1. I missed it again.
Honestly.
Contestants defeated.
You missed every time.
Why are you throwing on the floor? Nick is unhappy with me. I don't know if I've had enough. I think I've maybe had too much champagne and not enough coffee to do this. Shh, I've already forgotten. Right? What do I do? Yay!
Come on. Champion.
Yeah! Way!
Do this one.
Finally!
Yeah, I'll be terrible at this one. Well done, well done.
Come on, all up in here, all up in here, all up in here. Thank you. Okay, so I reckon we go 1 big step, done. 2 big steps, and then we'll naturally meet in the middle. But my big steps are very different to your big steps. So, what are you looking at? Okay, so you know what I'm saying? You're giving me no feedback. Okay, fine.
Do it. You ready?
Yeah. Okay. 1 big step. 2 big steps.
What are you not near me, son?
I said I'm doing 2 big steps.
Guys, this will be
You're too far forward. I said my steps are bigger than your big steps.
Right, you ready?
Yes. Right, one big step. Two big steps.
I'm here. Right.
Wait, let me go in between your feet. In between your feet.
Oh, lift up your glasses, please. Hey! Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Wow.
We're out of
Yes.
the cube.
Yes, how did you find the cube experience?
I loved it. I thought it was so fun. But like, one thing that we noticed was that as we were leaving, there were so many more games.
Yeah, loads. Like,
to
so
play.
like the bit we were in, there was just like what, 7 or 8? Something?
7.
Yeah,
I
and
think.
we done those. We done them all, and as you saw, we we did all right.
We didn't win, but like we had a really good time.
There was a point where I was like, we've got 100 points. Like,
and
that's it.
and the team that we were playing with, shout out to Cherish and Robert, they were absolutely nailing it. So
They were killing it.
there was a time where they had like over 1,000 points and we still had 100 points.
It was shocking.
And it was so bad, but like it was really fun.
Yeah.
And I was like, we would definitely come back
Yeah.
with some friends. So this isn't the last you're going to see of us.
Yeah. We'll be back, and what I'll do is when we come back with friends, I'm not going to tell them I've been before. Just going to turn up and just be miraculously really good at any of the games that we've already played. So yeah. Really, really good. Would definitely recommend if you are in London and in the Canary Wharf area. Look how nice this light is on.
I know.
So yeah, definitely recommend. Come down, enjoy it. It's definitely a unique experience and really, really fun. And if you're a bit competitive like me, you might end up
Very, yeah.
you might end up having a go at your partner.
It was fun though. I loved
Yeah.
every minute. So that's us for today. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.